Right, we're here today to show you how to change the oil on your lawnmower, your Briggs and Stratton. It's an easy process, can be done indoors, and the first thing you need to do is run the lawnmower for about 5 minutes so the oil's nice and loose in the engine. To start your lawnmower, usual way, 3 pumps, run it for 5 minutes so the oil is nice and loose, if you can start. So, 3 ways to take the oil out of the engine. You can use an oil extractor, which we have here, where you take the dipstick out, like so, and insert it into the engine and extract the oil. If you haven't got that, you can tip the lawnmower over and drain through the dipstick hole, perfectly acceptable. Or in this case, there is a sump plug on this particular lawnmower located in the bottom. If you tip the lawnmower over, top tip, let's turn it round, instead of losing fuel, so use a plastic bag, insert it over the fuel tank, tighten it up, and that'll stop you from losing fuel. So, we've run the lawnmower now for 5 minutes. Let's extract it. Take the dipstick out. Like so. Put the oil extractor in. And I know this is a bit oversized. As you can see, pretty dirty.
Where can you get the extractor from then?
Well, this is most machine suppliers, tool suppliers will supply it. And as you can hear, all the oil is extracted, and this is the easiest way. But you don't need to have one of these. You can just tip it on its side, put a drain pot underneath it, and you can extract your oil. The great thing with the oil extractor, can you see this, Matthew? Because each one of these is a litre. So that would be half a litre of oil. Just about 3/4 of a litre. And we're going to use an SEA 34-stroke engine oil for it. So, that is the oil extracted. Let's get an old oil pot. Got plenty of these lying about. Stick that in there for a minute, just while we fill it up. Right. Yet again, little funnel. Well, not yet again. Put a funnel on it. Fill it up with clean engine oil. Don't overfill it. It's harder to get out than it is to get in. Clean your dipstick.
So what did you just put in there? Oh, just the...
Just the funnel. So, it's just on the bottom of the dipstick now. A little bit more. So filling and emptying can be done through the dipstick. It really isn't a problem to do that with these small engines. There we go, oil's good. Do this once a year and it'll last you for a very long time. Not that Briggs and Stratton would like you to know that, because they want you to buy a new one. That's the job done. It's that simple. So, any thoughts on the video? Let me know. Thank you very much. See you later.
1.
Sorry, one thing I did forget. If you drain the oil by tipping the lawnmower, you may get some more residue out the exhaust, which will cause it to smoke for a little while. Don't worry about this. This will clear. So, there's no need to worry about it. It's quite normal. And we're just going to run it for about 30 seconds, make sure everything's okay, and then check the oil again.